Okay, so it's almost 12 noon, and again, there's still some clouds hanging around with some cool breezes. About 88 degrees out. This is how much I've gotten the bucket down to. It's just taking a long time. I know a lot of this stuff is lighter material. I could probably be a little more aggressive with it. I did see like 1 or 2 colors already. They're minute, so it's hardly worth the time, to tell you the truth. It's more profitable garage selling. But because garage selling, you can buy it for a penny on the dollar, so make 100 times your money with no effort. We're here 4 hours. Gosh, garage selling, I would have bought $300 worth of $3,000 already. So yeah, gold mining in Nevada is not worth the time. So anyway, I'll probably go back to my hotel room, and where there's nice air conditioner, I'll put it on like 68 degrees. And after I take a shower and cool down, maybe drink a nice cold drink, then I'll get back to final sluicing this. I'll probably put all that material. Well, I'll just put all the material into this blue bowl, and then in this bucket I'll just do light wash, and I'll see if I could with a little bit of water, and see if I could then use the squeegee bottle and just squeegee out whatever the color specs are, and finish it up. Anyway, I'm gonna probably say that this ends my gold mining expedition in Nevada. So the answer is go to California, go to Denver, go anywhere in Colorado is fine. Western, eastern, Platte River. I like the Cold Creek and the Clear Creek that goes through the Coors Brewery area. But anywhere out in Colorado, even the Colorado River in Colorado is good to gold mine, especially up by the source. And even in North Georgia, about 50 miles north of Atlanta, there's a gold mine. Dahlonega is the town's name. But Dahlonega, Helen, Cleveland, all those towns have gold in it. Just a minute layer. You have to look. It's a band about a mile wide. So there's a couple rivers. One's called the Chestatee. The other one's called Yahula Creek. Those two are known to have gold. And then south of Dahlonega, there's a river called the Atola. That also is a good river, but just south of Dahlonega. North of it, it flows through old volcanic basalt, and you won't find any gold in there. In Denver, again, anywhere in Colorado, you'll find gold. It was easy. Just scoop it up, and usually with each scoop, you'll find something, some color. So I was about maybe 5 to 10 miles east of Black Hawk on Cold Creek, and I found that area was exceptional. It was undermined. There was a lot of mines around the area. A lot of tailings ended up in the Cold Creek, and I even saw evidence of firings where they were firing, smelting their own gold. So that was awesome. So they were taking rock, heating the rock up, and I guess they had some iron pan underneath it trying to catch the gold smelt. Some of it got away though. They would smelt it, and when you make those cubes, the bottom of the cube has a little bit of carbon, like black coal on it, and sometimes when you hit it with a hammer, you break up the gold, but you leave a little bit of gold attached to that black rock, and that's what happened. I found a little piece of that in Denver, in Cold Creek, and as I'm trying to put it into my collection jar, it slips out of my hand because I was walking on uneven rock, and it fell into the abyss. I couldn't find it after that. Flowing water over little tiny pebbles. I couldn't find it. So anyway, but that's definitely a better area. This, for one, this river is polluted. 2, it's illegal to go in the river. 3, it's just mud. You know, and mud it just hides gold. I'm not saying there's not gold in here. I'm not saying there's gold 1,000 feet down. Maybe there is. But you look over there, it's all shale, sand rock, mud, clay. It's all light stuff. It's like a mud volcano. I mean, so a lot of these volcanoes may have been partial mud volcanoes, and that's all light silica stuff. I mean, it's the light stuff. You need the really big blasting volcanoes or really hot magma like you find in Kilauea. But even Kilauea, it would have to be a huge eruption, and you'd have to probably go into lava tubes because the gold's too heavy to be flowing on top. So you would run through a lava tube, and it would probably where you see copper in Kilauea, then gold is probably on the floor, because gold melts at, I think it's 2100, and copper is like 2150. So copper would come out of solution first, and gold would be next in line. So gold would kind of like try to solidify on the copper, and gold and copper really don't bond to another. So the gold would fall off probably down to the seafloor. I mean, to the floor of the to the whatchamacallit, to the cave. So anyway, that's my foray in Nevada. So I'm probably not gonna do any more gold mining videos because it's just useless. There's no place to gold mine here. Not enough rain. There was a lot of rain earlier in the week, last week I should say, but this week just here around the Grand Canyon Dam. And the Grand Canyon Dam, I'll tell you the truth, that is really the only place you should mine because it has a type of rock strata. When you get deep enough, you get the metamorphic rock, and that's where you would find the quartz veins and where you would find the gold. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully more to come.